Cold plunging? Okay, let's be honest here. When I first heard about it, I thought it was one of those weird biohacker trends. You know, something only the ultra elite or totally insane will do. And I was definitely not either. Honestly, I thought it was ridiculous. But then, like with any trend that gets under your skin, something about me kept nagging at me. Why not give it a try? So, there I was, stepping into the freezing water. And let me tell you, no one prepares you for the shock. Your body goes into full panic mode. I swear, if I could have jumped out of that water in slow motion and run off into the sunset, I would have. But instead, I stood there, frozen, trying to look cool, of course. Meanwhile, on the inside, I was screaming, what the heck I'm doing? But here is the crazy part. Once it's over, there is this moment where everything feels sharper. Like you've just woken up after deep sleep. You are shivering, your heart is pounding, and yet there is this rush of power. Like you've just conquered something monumental. Even though it was just a few minutes in freezing cold water. It's hard to explain, but once you experience it, you'll never forget it. And it's not just about the cold. It's about proving to yourself that you can face something uncomfortable and come out on top. That tiny, almost insignificant victory, it makes the rest of your day seem, well, not so bad. I'm telling you, once you do this, you want to do it again. It's additive, in the worst way possible. When I do cold plunges, it's like hitting the reset button. It's me saying, Daniele, if you can handle this, you can handle anything today. Cold plunging is called a biohack for a reason. It's not just some overhyped trend, there are real benefits. Some are backed by science, some are a bit mysterious, but what we do know is it works. For energy, for your immune system, even for burning fat. Your body fights to warm itself up. I can't feel my toes, but I know my metabolism is firing on all cylinders. But here's the real magic. It's not just your body that changed, it's your mind. Every time you're getting, you're teaching yourself to face discomfort, to sit with it, to own it, and then to grow from it. It's like telling yourself, you are stronger than you think. And if you can dive into freezing water, trust me, you can handle pretty much anything that life throws at you. Speaking of science, yes, I'm going there. Let's talk about cold shock proteins. It sounds like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, but it's real. When your body gets exposed to the cold, it releases these proteins that act as a secret weapon, boosting your immune system, helping your muscle recover, even burning fat, as I said before. It's like flipping a switch and suddenly you are stronger than before. But let's not get lost in science for a minute, because let's face it, it's not just about looking thug or chasing after some health fad. It's about how you feel afterward. Strong, focused, almost untouchable. And honestly, the best part is sharing it with someone else. Watching them go through the struggle, seeing their face transform from pure panic to triumph. It's priceless. You laugh together, you bond, and both of you walk away stronger. Cold plunging isn't about comfort, it's about embracing challenge. The first few seconds are brutal, but as soon as you accept it, something shifts. Suddenly, it's not about surviving, it's about thriving. It's about standing in the storm and realize you can control it. And let's be real, it's a great story. You've got to have at least one. I did something crazy. And when you come out of that icy water, feeling like you've just conquered Everest, people can't help but ask, how do you do it? So here's the deal. Stop overthinking it and just jump in. If I can do it, so can you. The first 10 seconds, yeah, it's a struggle, but after that, it will change you. Just a safety precaution. If you are pregnant, have heart conditions or any other medical concerns, make sure to consult with a healthcare professional before trying cold plunging. Safety comes first. Hit that subscribe button, like the video and share it with someone who needs a push to try something new. Let me know in the comments what challenging you are taking on. Stay strong, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next video. See you guys, bye!